Have you ever tried the delightful blend of flavors that is sweet and sour chicken? This beloved dish, hailing from the heart of Chinese cuisine, offers a unique fusion of sweet, sour, and savory elements. Imagine a plate of crispy, tender chicken coated in a glossy, tangy sauce, delivering a symphony of flavors with every bite. We'll be using simple ingredients to create this mouth-watering dish. If you're ready to tantalize your taste buds, then join me in this culinary journey. First things first, let's get our chicken ready. To ensure a rich flavor and tender texture, we are going to prepare a simple yet effective marinade. We start by mixing flour, cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper together. This dry mixture will not only enhance the taste, but also give our chicken a crispy exterior. Next, we're going to beat a couple of eggs until they're well combined. This will serve as a sticky base for our dry mixture. Here's the fun part: dipping each piece of chicken into the beaten eggs and then rolling it in our flour mixture. Make sure each piece is thoroughly coated, as this will give us that irresistible crunch we're after. Remember, the key to a perfect sweet and sour chicken lies in the preparation. Once our chicken is well coated, it's time for the next step. Stay tuned for the sizzling action in the frying pan. Now, it's time to give our chicken that irresistible crunch. First, we need to heat the vegetable oil in a deep frying pan. Aim for a medium heat, ideally reaching around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While our oil is heating up, let's get our chicken ready. Each piece should be dipped in the whisked eggs and then thoroughly coated in our flour and starch mixture. Remember, we want every nook and cranny covered for the ultimate crunch. Once our oil is hot enough, we can start frying the chicken, but here's a key tip: don't overcrowd the pan. If you add too much chicken at once, the temperature of the oil will drop and your chicken won't fry evenly. It's better to fry in small batches, ensuring each piece turns a beautiful golden brown. With our chicken fried to perfection, we're ready to prepare the sauce. The secret to a great sweet and sour chicken lies in the sauce. That's right, the sauce is the magic that brings this dish to life. Now let's get into it. Start by combining half a cup of white vinegar, the same amount of sugar, a quarter cup each of soy sauce and ketchup, and a quarter cup of water in a small pot. Stir these ingredients together and bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. While that's heating, whisk together 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with a bit of water to create a slurry. This will help thicken our sauce to the perfect consistency. Once your vinegar mixture is boiling, add the cornstarch slurry and stir continuously until the sauce thickens and takes on a glossy shine. For those who enjoy a touch of heat in their sweet and sour chicken, feel free to add half a cup of thinly sliced red chili peppers at this point. With our sauce ready, it's time to bring it all together. Now comes the moment we've all been waiting for: combining the chicken and the sauce. The art of blending flavors is truly where the magic happens in every kitchen. So let's get started. First, we're going to sauté the onions. Heat a little oil in a pan over medium heat, add your thinly sliced onions and stir them around until they become translucent and soft. This process helps to draw out the sweetness of the onions, adding an extra depth of flavor to our dish. Now it's time to introduce our sweet and sour sauce to the pan. Pour it in and let it mingle with the onions. The aroma that fills your kitchen at this moment is simply enticing, isn't it? Next, we take our crispy, golden chicken pieces and add them to the mix. Stir everything together, ensuring that each piece of chicken gets well coated in that tangy, sweet, and savory sauce. The chicken soaks up the sauce, and what you get is a beautiful harmony of flavors with every bite. To serve, you have a few options. This dish pairs beautifully with steamed rice, allowing the grains to soak up any extra sauce. Or, for a healthier twist, you can serve it alongside some grilled vegetables, and there you have it, a delicious sweet and sour chicken that will surely impress. Enjoy.